Alright guys, quick room tour. This is a adults only villa junior suite. We'll walk back in, one big look at the room. As you can see again, you got your king size bed, you got your seating area. To my left here, you got the seating area, the little couch. And then you come over here to the right, you got a little table and 2 chairs. You got your 4 chest. You got 4 drawers to keep all your clothes in that you do not want to hang up. And of course, in there, through there is your bathroom, your sink, all that good stuff. All right, guys, here we at the Italian restaurant at the RIU Palace, Bavaro. We come in here and they tell us, "Hey, no food, lady." They're trying to tell us they didn't even have any food. Now, we dealt with this the other night at the Crystal Fusion restaurant. You couldn't have more than 1 appetizer because they didn't have any food.